Go after. To chase or follow someone. She left the room in tears, so I went after her. I begged him to go after his brother just to make sure that he was okay. Go against. To not be in someone's favor, or not to their advantage. The jury's verdict went against him. The vote went against the government. Go across. Move to another side or place. We should go across a road at the crosswalk. Let's go across the street to get to the coffee shop. Go away. To leave your home for a trip. They're going away on vacation. Go away. To leave a person or place. He angrily told him to go away. Go away and leave me alone. Go back. To return to a place. Or start doing something again. He is going back to work after the break. We go back to school in August. Go down. To decrease, or to move down to a lower place. The price of gas has gone down recently. Be careful when go down the stairs. Go up. To move higher, rise, or increase. Oil prices will go up, I suppose. Can you go up the stairs 2 steps at a time? Go for. Try to achieve or attain. I'll go for the world record. Our team will go for the gold medal at the Olympic Games. Go for. To choose a particular thing. Which t-shirt do you like, yellow or blue? I will go for yellow t-shirt. Go in. To enter a place. You should knock before you go in. Let's go in, it's getting cold. Go out. To date someone. Tom has been going out with Lucy for 6 weeks. She wants to go out with him. Go out. To leave a place. Please close the door as you go out. Do you want to go out or stay home? Go out. Stop burning or shining. The lights went out. The bedroom light went out after a moment. Go under. To sink below the surface of the water. The ship went under in a heavy storm.